to show you how to make a wonderful pasta with a red bell pepper and onion sauce. Well, the sauce is easy. Comes in a jar by Wild Tree. Red bell pepper and onion. I'm just going to pour that and have it heating as I make the pasta. Well, I make homemade pasta, so the ingredients I use are 3 eggs slightly beaten, about 2 1/4 cups of the flour, 1 1/4 cup of the grapeseed oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Now at the end you may want to add a little bit more water depending on the texture, but the texture should be pretty much like this, almost elastic. And I do this all in my KitchenAid. I have a dough hook, and so it really kneads the dough and forms a nice ball with the dough. And I already made most of the pasta, but I'm going to show you how I roll this and how we cut it. First, I roll it real thick. So we're just going to put it right through here. And then we're going to have to roll it one more time through there again to knead it a little because it's been sitting. I made this about 3 hours ago. And then I'm going to put this like on a 5 to thin it out more. Then I'm going to take this off. I've changed the attachment to the noodle cutter so we can get nice fettuccine size pasta. And as you can see, you just run it right through. And then I boil water, add the pasta, and it comes out like this. By this time, of course, our red bell pepper and onion sauce has been heated through. Quick and easy sauce. And we're just going to pour some of that right over. And we'll just mix it up a little bit with a fork so it gets through. And dinner. This will make twice this amount. You could have dinner for 4 very easily. It makes about 2 pounds of pasta.